Okay, Chapter 1 Terms, Section 1.1. First video here for you guys. Hope you're having fun. It says point. That's our term. We're going to name that guy with one capital letter. So if I just make it this big, if I make that little point smaller, or if I make that point bigger, doesn't matter. So hopefully you remember that a point, a line in our segment, they have no size to them, okay? If I'm naming that point, I'm just going to name it capital A. Nothing else. No points, nothing around it. How about naming a line? It says here 2 points, capital letters. Draw us a line, put a couple points on it. We'll put M and T on it. Grab those two letters, M, T, put a line above it with some arrows, and that labels our line, gives us our name. How about with one lowercase script letter? Well, you saw in class we may have a lowercase script, let's say J, written right next to the line. Then you could write a lowercase script J as your name. You don't have to put a line above it. Don't put a line above it. It's just the lowercase script J. That's cool. Lowercase stands for a line. All right. That'll make sense in a minute, I think. Segment, 2 points, capital letters. Here's a segment. Let's give it a couple letters. I don't know, B and A. We'll use those two letters for us and write BA, and we will put a segment bar above it. If you want to put the little dots, more power to you. Put the little dots. It doesn't hurt. It's not necessary. Do not put arrows. How about array? 2 points, capital letters. I'm going to draw my array going up this way this time, and I don't know, we'll label it P and T. So you're going to just grab those two letters, P, T, and you're going to put your arrow going to the right, always to the right when you're naming an array. Always. I know the array is going a different direction. That's fine. It does that, but your naming of it, PT, has to go left to right like that. Last guy is the plane. I need a little more room. Draw us that parallelogram that we use as the plane. Make mine a little big. I'm going to put a couple points on my line right here. For that matter, I'll put 3 of them. We'll just do A, B, C to make life easy, and we'll put a D down here just for fun. So we're naming this guy. We would name it B, A, D. No need to put the word plane in front of it or anything of that nature. Just B-A-D. You cannot name it A, B, C. That is a big no-no because it says here 3 non-collinear points. So they can't be on the same line. It does say 1 uppercase script letter. So if we wanted to do an uppercase script P, then you could name it with an uppercase script P. So that's why I said lowercase script letter line, uppercase script letter plane. How about a couple quick examples? Name the plane 2 ways. So here's our plane in yellow. Hopefully you picked up on that big script R. Awesome. Name the plane to one other way then for us would be G, H, F. Non-collinear points. Name the line 3 ways. Hopefully you caught that there's a tiny lowercase script N right there, so that's one way. The other way is a G and an H, and an H and a G. Put your arrows above them to signify it's a line after all. That's what the directions say. And yeah, when you have one, you always have the other for a line or a segment. And you get 3 points right there almost. Name our line 2 ways. Just flip the letters. Number 3, name the end point of the ray. Y. That's where our end point sort of starts, if you will. That's what we said. Name the ray 2 ways. One way, YE. Again, goes to the right, even though the ray is going up to the left. And YK. That would be the same ray. If you said EK, you're sort of shortening the ray to going from here to here. You're forgetting this. So we were asking you to try to name the entire ray 2 ways. So you're going to go from Y towards E and continue. Or you're going to go from Y towards K and continue. And they're essentially the same ray. You're just overlapping. All right, so it says here you cannot switch the order of the two letters when naming a, hopefully you said array, when naming array. All right, when you're naming a segment or a line, you could definitely flip the letters and kind of cheat. Cool? All right, some videos are more fun than others, but this was great. Have a nice day.